So previously I did a tutorial on how to do a typewriter effect using a mask and constant keyframes. So if you want to watch that tutorial, I will put a link right here, and there will also be a link in the description. But today I want to talk about how easy and quickly you can make the same effect using the Boris Type on text reveal effect. So I'm going to start by making a new composite shot, and today I'm just going to make this 5 seconds for my example. I'm going to add a new plane, click OK, and I'm also going to add a white plane underneath that just to give us some background, okay? What I'm going to do is look under the Boris Continuum Complete, and under the Boris 3D Objects, we're going to use the Boris BCC Type on text and drag it on there, and there it is. Now you can see the white plane underneath it, right? The first thing we need to do is under the controls, I'm going to bring up this, is I'm going to change the preset from no preset to a default preset. Okay, so now it's set up and ready to go. All I have to do is make my changes. Let's start by making this look like text. If I open up the UI window, launch it, I can actually type whatever I want in here. Okay, and then I can change the font. I have it already set up for the font that I want, an elegant typewriter font. I can change the font size. Maybe I will make that 48, a little bigger, right? I can change the justification. I can change whether I want it to text wrap or whatever. Everything in there this way, okay? Now you can see this doesn't look much like text on paper. And what I will need to do under the extrusions is I just need to take the extrusion depth down to 0, the bevel amount down to 0, okay, that kind of stuff. And then if I turn off the built-in light, it will make it black, okay? And so now basically we have our text the way that we want it, all right? Now, let's talk about how to make it fade in, because right now it's not doing anything, right? And that's fine, right? But that's because we haven't turned on the reveal effect. So down here under, at the very bottom, it has do reveal effect and it has do remove effect. We don't want these to be removed. We want them to be revealed. So we are going to check the do reveal effect, and that brings up a new drop-down menu, type on reveal. We're going to open that up, and we're just going to make the overlap 0, and we're going to make the fade 0. And that's it. Okay, that's the whole thing. All right, now you're wondering, and there you go. What is the reveal time? The reveal time basically says, how much time is this? In this case, it's 5 seconds. Okay, this is a percentage. How fast do I want this to reveal? If I want it to reveal 50% of the 5 seconds, in other words, it will finish revealing at exactly 2.5 seconds, then I would leave it at 50. If I wanted it to reveal over the whole 5 seconds, then I would make it 100%. Okay, if I wanted it to reveal, say, over 4 seconds, I would make it 80% of 5 seconds. Okay, so it just sort of depends on how fast you want that text to be typed on there. Okay, and it's really that simple. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.